Hey YouTube, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be showing you how I convert my PNG files to JPEG. It was requested, and I actually used two different sites for converting. This one I use for PNG to JPEG, and then this one I always use for my PDF files. I will leave the link to both websites down in the description box. But just to show you, I'm going to use my logo because my logo is a PNG file. And you know, PNG files are those that don't come with a background. So let me just move it over here so you can see there is no background to this. It is just pretty much a little see-through thing. So let's go ahead and convert this. So I'm on the site and I'm going to go to upload files. Now let me go down to my logo, open. And as you can see, my logo is right here. You could do more than one file at a time, but I'm just doing this one just to show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and download all. And it is down here, and it is actually a zip file. No, I don't want that. $20 is way too much. Okay, so here we are. We got this file right here. So I'm going to extract to a specific folder. I like everything to be in my downloads, so that's where I'm going to put it, in my downloads. Click OK. Get out of that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and open it up as normal. I'm going to go to Insert, Pictures. And I'm going to go to my downloads because that's exactly where I put it. And as you can see, now I do not just have a PNG, but I also have a JPEG. So let's open this JPEG, and it should have a white background. And it has the white background, as you see. So that was very easy, very simple. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link to both of these down in the description box. But if you have any more questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.